2, 1, go.
And they're off. All 6 robots moving on the field right now with Team 8849 and 5109 for the Red Alliance, trying to get those coral on level 4. Neither one have did on it successfully, and on the Blue Alliance, all 3 robots have just positioned themselves stationed around the reef. As we go in the teleop portion, the Blue Alliance takes that early lead as 8849 circles the reef as their alliance partner 5109 gets another coil from the human player station. Team 6925 WA Robotics removing an algae from the reef, as on the Red Alliance 5109 Gladiator Robotics tries to see if they can place it all the way on level 4 for 5 points, which they successfully have. Team 7538 tried playing defense on the Blue Alliance, but has got caught up on an algae. They have successfully rolled themselves off as Gladiator Robotics on the Red Alliance brings that coral all the way up to the ocean surface for level 4 for 5 points for their alliance. Their alliance partner, Team 8849 Storm Robotics, is working up a storm as they try to place these coral on top of the reef, with Gladiator Robotics scoring another coral on top. Team 10482, the Buzzbots, trying to see if they get that coral on the trough for 2 points, but it was not quite enough. Team 6925 WA Robotics taking that algae inside of the processor for 6 points for their alliance, as Team 5109 Gladiator Robotics places another coral on top of the reef for 5 additional points. WA Robotic taking another algae right now as it's making its way down the ramp. The human player will pick it up and place it on top of the processor. Team 8849 Storm Robotics trying to remove another algae of their own as 5109 swoops in and places a coil just above where they removed it. A little bit of a traffic jam on the Red Alliance as Team 6925 WA Robotics trying to see if they can remove that second to last algae from their reef, as the 8849 makes their way back to the Red Alliance side of the field. 6925 is caught up on an algae, and it looks like they're maybe out for the rest of the match with only 37 seconds remaining in the match. We're neck and neck with only 5 points separating these two teams. Gladiator Robotics looks to extend their lead by getting their coral on top of the reef. Team 6705 Wildcat 5E get another coil from the human player station as their alliance partner WA Robotics circling the reef with the last 20 seconds of the match. The human player for the red side will start depositing those algae he'd been collecting through the match. With only 12 seconds left, only 12 points separate these two teams. The Buzzbots are in the air, tying up the game if they successfully stay. Team 8849 7538 successfully parked. All 3 robots on, all 6 robots are parked under the barge with 10482 in the air. And that is all the time we have for qualification match number 32. The scores are in. The winner is the Red Alliance with a final score of 98-90. The Blue Alliance will earn those 2 ranking points, and the Red Alliance only earning the 3 for winning the match.